Those are some nice old ones. I'm gonna grab a couple. I heard that the boiler was totally removed. Hold on, it's already on. Oh my God, look at that. Holy crap. It's just entirely gone. Let me pull up the light. There we go. Wow. It's just gone. I heard that it actually, once they got the cover off, it comes apart and the entire boiler chamber unbolts into smaller pieces that they could carry out. Like, what, a couple 100-pound pieces? So, that's actually pretty ingenious. Because I was afraid to, like, how does that fit through the doorway? But evidently it all breaks down into modular chunks. And I think I'll come back and get some of this copper. Just that section, and I'll leave the other ones. I'm not going to do it for, like, I wouldn't want to scrap it, but I want to keep any parts that I can use. Oh, that's a little hammer. Neat. I don't know what is this? Is this a water? Sterling Incorporated, Milwaukee. 1/3 phase Sterile Co. Model 4128-GMX. So I guess there's not much else to do down here. Wait, let's make sure. Okay, cool. Oh, they kept my stuff, so that's good. I was afraid that the scrappers would take that too, but it looks like they kept it. At least I got the side glass, but I'm glad I got this part. Well, they're going to be ripping out some more tile up there, and then we're going to be moving to an upper room. So I think today I should spend the day helping them instead of working on the boiler or whatever. Well, I mean, there's some boiler now. So yeah, let's go back up and see what's going on. Almost got the bathroom done. Those tiles are really difficult. Actually, it turns out, they had such thick concrete underneath the tiles because there was a boiler there. And so there must have been something there before it was a bathroom. Maybe I should remove you guys first. Got the bathroom done. This had like an inch of concrete and then really thick tiles because the coal chute was underneath here, and they're thinking that there was probably some furnace or something in here. Now we're moving upstairs.
Yeah. Eduardo!
So we had this haunted house walkthrough, and we didn't have any ghost stories. So the lady said, well, you know, I'll come in and we'll do this haunted house tour. But she couldn't find any ghost stories either. But there is one famous lady that lived here, and she lived here for like 35 years. So her name's Marion Hartline, and she was originally from Hillsborough. She became a Hollywood star.
I never even heard of her.
Yeah, and she's...
Was that in the silent era, or?
No, it was after the silent era, but she had kind of a, I don't know, don't quote me on this, but it was like some kind of like cowboy themed, you know, show or something like that. Anyway, she had a Hollywood show, and I think she married like Hilton or something like that. But she didn't have much money after they got divorced, and so she moves back to Hillsborough, and she lived in the Red Rooster for something like 35 years in this one apartment, not this apartment, one down the hall. And so this haunted house, or this ghost tour lady says, "Hey, can we stop and I'll talk about Marion Hartline?" We're like, okay. Marion Hartline isn't dead. She moved out like a year ago, and she lives kind of up the street on the other side of town. Okay. So I was like, well, how are you going to tell a ghost story about Marion Hartline? So basically her ghost story was, Marion Hartline, when she dies, will come back and haunt the Red Rooster. So
that's a bit of a stretch, I think.
It's like,
yeah.
Like, okay. She did have one interesting story because across the street where the tumbling place is, there apparently was a house, and some guy strapped a bunch of dynamite to himself and blew him up as some kind of protest or whatever.
Okay.
And apparently they did find like body parts like through the windows of the Red Rooster.
Well, that's an odd story. Thank you very much for telling me that. So what are we going to be doing in this room? Just ripping all this stuff off?
Yeah, this one actually is in pretty good shape.
Okay. Well, then it's that one then you're going to be taking the stuff out of?
Yeah, so this one, it looks like the walls are in good shape, so we're going to go in there, we're going to remove the paneling and try to save as much as possible.
Okay.
But just bring it back to the walls.
Okay. Oh my god, guys. Look at this old cabinet. That is so cool. If we're gonna kind of pitch that, I will keep that for sure. It's really nice. Nice style.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah. Ah, it was a nail in the right spot. So they're very easy to break. What I do is I go back and get two.
Yeah.
I did not.
Carpenter's working on it.
Is that okay to take that out?
Oh, wait. Why don't I just get this thing right directly? It's gonna fall, be careful. That's not what you want to do.
No, that's not.
What just?
Oh,
Yeah. Even more of the windowsill just came out.
Yeah, because it's nailed in or screwed into it.
Oh, crap. Well, let's clean it up and then put it back. Sound good?
Just rip it off.
That's probably a lot of water there. Okay.
leave people one.
Well, I'm only gonna keep a little bit.
Oh yeah, of course. And like the pieces aren't super damaged, but
Yeah, actually, this piece is pretty good. Should we open a window before we get it all dirt in here?
not a bad idea.
Are we totally destroying that wall?
What?
Are we totally destroying that wall?
Yeah, this one right here.
Should I get a sledgehammer?
Oh yeah, sure. This? Oh, there is no. Okay. You're gonna knock out this too, right? Windows open.
I'm done for now.
Okay.
I'll take a little bit.
Yeah. I'm just gonna move this right quick.
Hey, you want glasses? Yeah, sure. We can hold your glasses if you want. I mean, do you want goggles? We can hold your glasses.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. Normally I just close it right when I swing, like right after.
Well, no. Maybe don't
Well, you
do
get
that.
the point, yeah.
Actually,
And it's probably not the best idea with the sledgehammer.
the old sink?
Yeah.
Which one?
There's a sink and this used to be the old communal bathroom.
This one here?
One of the original sinks.
That one?
It's pink marble.
Oh wow, that's cool. Getting ready to move some stuff out into the dumpster. So there is a second sorry, not fire chute, trash chute going down there. Don't you dare come up here.
Don't forget, for free, your local hometown store that has everything you need for small repairs, little remodels, or new construction.
You know what, I just realized we have some nice 2x4s in there. So I'm gonna go down there. Man, there's a lot of dust in there. But in the dumpster, there's a lot of 2x4s. Old 2x4s too. So, those are some nice old ones. I'm gonna grab a couple. We have some insulators. Those are cool.
Wait, I thought we carried that oh no, I forgot. Yeah, this is the stuff that we had earlier. This is the stuff that I didn't have enough time to get. What would you want to use these for?
Well, I was thinking about if I don't really need
When I
them.
show you that cool, I found a rotary light switch.
Oh yeah,
In a wall?
your dad told me about that.
Did you show you it?
No, he couldn't find it. Or, I'm not
Did you
sure.
find it?
Yeah, he didn't know where it was.
Anyway, I'll grab it and bring it here sometime. It's in a drawer in our kitchen. It's not that far.
So if I probably don't have much of a use for them because my house is full of them, but at the very least, I want to at least put them in the antique shop to sell for like 50 cents a piece. Just to get them out of.
I mean, those things should be more valuable than the freaking siding. Although I'm assuming you're selling the siding for something like what, 50 cents per.
Even if that, I don't know.
Yeah.
But it's okay. I'm trying to get it thing away. It's really tall.
I know, right?
It's,
Made for an inconvenience when we needed something shorter when we were
that's
dumping
good.
stuff
See,
out of
I
the.
can dump stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. He's a curious cat.
Cool.
He's pretty good on his feet. I'll chuck this in there.
Hey, Kudo. Kudo. What did you say his name was? I keep calling him
Eddie.
Kudo. Eddie, okay. I'll keep calling him Kudo.
Yeah, that's fine.
Some more. I got 10 of them, so that's cool. We sell them for $1 a piece. I'll get $10.
Ah, crap.
Into his front wall.
The president threatens to cut off millions of dollars in aid as part of his push to release peace. I'm here on Shiloh, Washington.
Having fun?
With the details.
Oh, yeah.
straight ahead.
Yeah.
And another reminder about the cuteness we have for you on this Thursday.
What?
And
Pull those down if
on
you
this
want.
new cheetah
Pull the wooden ones down?
Yeah, you pull them the other way.
Okay.
Yeah, you can push them. Whatever.
Well, that is pretty much it. Wouldn't you agree that's pretty much it?
Yep.
What do you
wait.
do with my goggles? What do you do with my
Oh.
goggles? What, were you gonna say something?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
Do you want me to
Okay,
clean them?
okay.
I'll go clean them right quick.
Yeah, you can clean them later.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna wrap up the video. So we actually, mostly you guys did a lot of work. I spent time looking for insulators, and also I didn't want to get too dirty. Well, guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.